Hello, everyone. My name is Jihao. I'm the co-founder and CEO of Genia. At Genia, we're currently building the generative design operating system for construction. On the left-hand side, this is Grand Lisboa Palace Hotel in Macau, one of the casino that's a major landmark in Macau. When I partner designed this building, it took them 15 structural engineers for almost 2 years to complete the design. And throughout the whole process, they create more than 1,000 of Excel spreadsheets and run over more than 750,000 engineering calculations to complete the structural design. Although the industry is pouring $25 billion annually on design software, only 35% of the processes has been digitized. And the remaining 65 are largely happening on pen, paper and Excel spreadsheets. Therefore, about 40% applications submitted to the government are rejected because of simple human errors at per application stage. What all these numbers are pointing to is that engineering design today is manual, repetitive, and prone to error. Therefore, as Genia, we started to question the status quo. We think why engineering design should have been done this way. What if we can generate an engineering drawing almost instantly? Then a human engineer can just go ahead and review the design, make edits as needed, and have a permanent ready drawing, not in 18 months, but just in a couple of hours. So therefore, we launched our structural copilot about a year ago. So what our structural copilot does is it takes architectural drawings as an input, and feed that into a generative AI network. The Gen AI will explore many different layout options, typically hundreds or thousands range. And for each one of the layout options, it will run it through structural analysis to make sure to filter out those that are meeting the structural requirements. And eventually, we programmatically recommend 3 to 5 different design options, and we produce structural drawings and calculation sheets to help structural engineers make the better design decisions. So our product is able to cater to new project constructions and as well as adaptive reuse. We are being an LA native company. We're also helping the community rebuild from the fire. We also collaborate with 3D printing technology companies like Mighty Buildings to incorporate their prefab technologies into our design stack. By using our products, our customers, which are structural engineer consulting firms and general contractors, they're able to enjoy 10 times faster in drawing generation. They're also able to save 40% human error and reduce material by 20% and just by optimizing the design. This ultimately empower our customers to be able to win more projects at a higher price, given that they're able to return drawings much faster and at a higher quality. Genia is unique in the market because we're the only one in the market that's capable of generating detailed design for structural engineers. We're built by engineers for engineers, and that's been signified by the fact that we're able to produce calculation sheets. We're able to recommend materials to meet the force requirements. A lot of our competitors are only able to generate conceptual design, and their design does not go through structural analysis. Therefore, you won't be able to expect a calculation sheet from their product. So that's where we stand out. Uh, our unique approach therefore requires an interdisciplinary team. So that's exactly what our founding team is made of. So I graduated from Yale SOM back in 2017, and since then I specialize in building in launching new technologies into new markets. I actually built the world's first mixed reality smart glasses for consumers at XReal, and I've been leading product and growth teams at Amazon for 4.5 years in the past. My co-founder Robin, he used to be a structural engineer at Arab, built more than hundreds of residential commercial properties in Canada. The last two co-founders, Peter and Hotal, they're both technical. Peter is a deep Gen AI expert with a ton of publications on ICCV and CVPR. He started to build large language models before the term was even popular. Hotal is a serial entrepreneur, longtime startup CTO with full stack tech expertise, and his last startup was called Hotel. They reached more than 300 million GMV annually before a successful exit. We are very fortunate to be backed by these amazing investors and partners. So we closed a round about a year ago, led by Pi Labs. They're Europe's largest prop tech fund. We have been very fortunate to be backed by these deep tech investors and industry partners like Suffolk Construction and Boost VC from Silicon Valley. We're also very fortunate to partner with industry leading material providers like Weyerhaeuser and Simpson Trontai. So these are the core material providers, in particular in the timber construction field. If you're interested in checking out our product, or if you have a project that we can support, please go ahead and feel free to book a demo today at Genia.design. We look forward to connecting with you all. Thank you so much for your time.